Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I am going to show how you can pass data from list view to a detail view. So basically, I have created this video previously where I have explained how you can call an API in SwiftUI and how you can download that data and show that data after passing on the list. But one of the subscriber asked me in the comments that he wants video on how to pass the data to the next screen, that is to the detail screen. So this video will be short where I will just explain how you can just tap on any cell of this list and send the data to the detail view. So let's get started. So this project we have created earlier, where you can check the video. We have created the struct as per the response, and here I'm showing everything in the list. And now what we have to do is we have to just send the data. So for that, what you can do is first you have to create a detail view. So this is my detail view. It's basically a SwiftUI view called song detail view. Inside that I have declared my struct as a result, and inside that I am fetching the track name and collection name and displaying vertically using VStack. But now how we can pass this result from the main screen to the next screen? So for that we have this option, navigation link. So but by just adding this one line of code, you can pass the data. How? You can see here inside navigation link you have this destination where you have to give the detail screen name. So my detail screen name is song detail view, so I am passing that, and inside that I have this result variable. So for that I have to send one value of the result. So I am getting the array of results, how that you can check in the previous video, and from that I am fetching one item. So from this array I am getting one item at a time, and I am sending that item, that is actually a result type only, to the detail screen, and that once it gets that data it is displaying on the detail screen. So let's run this and see how it is working. So this is the project that we have created, and now it's basically same. There is nothing new. I will just tap on the cell and it will pass the data. So data basically track name and collection name it should pass. So you can see here Shake It Off and 1989 is the detail, and after adding this navigation link in the content view you will start seeing this arrow also at the end of the list. And now if I tap here, you can see it is sending the data. If I tap on any cell, it is sending the data. So I hope this video has helped this user who has asked me in the comment section below that how to pass the data. And yeah, that's all guys for today's video. I hope you have learned something new from this and it will be useful for you. So thank you guys for watching this video, and if you want to see more such videos, like if you can see here on my YouTube channel, I have created different playlists. Like I'm creating projects on machine learning on Swift, also some tips and tricks regarding Xcode. Then I have also created different projects, complete projects in SwiftUI, Swift and machine learning. So you can see that here. Also I am making videos on SwiftUI. So here you can see I have more than 90 videos till now where I have covered everything: Xcode, Swift, machine learning, SwiftUI. Basically what I do is I try to learn something new every weekend and I try to share that with the community. So that's my target. So I hope you have learned from this channel something now and then. So yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you.